Hello, you're about to watch a video about a Danish company called Bang&Olufsen. My name is Valentin, and let me introduce you to my working team for this module. I was working with my three classmates called Adriana, Victoria and Martin. Me and my team conducted an analysis concerning the internal environment of the company. To start off, Bang&Olufsen is a Danish consumer electronics company that designs and manufactures audio products, television sets and telephones. In this video, I'm going to talk about value proposition, key resources, key activities, key partners, revenue streams and costs within the business model canvas. Then it comes to value creation, sustainable competitive advantage, strengths and weaknesses of the Bang&Olufsen company. In order to understand the internal environment of the company, we needed to take a closer look at the business model canvas. Starting with the value proposition, Bang&Olufsen prides itself in creating new experiences that break barriers and set new standards of performance. They are persistent in their dedication to excellence and their commitment to build a healthy and sustainable business. They bring passion to everything they do. That passion is what creates the magic the customer experiences whenever he interacts with B&O. Customer experience is at the core of the company's value proposition, and of course everything is centered around it. Due to the ongoing changes in the market, B&O has had to constantly change their value proposition as to satisfy the also changing customer needs. Today, they have decided to take a qualitative approach and target the individual customer's needs. The overall value proposition in Bang&Olufsen's business model is unique design, high standard, customer experience, and high quality products. Talking about physical resources, during this year the net number of B1 stores and shop-in-shop stores declined by 40, partly as a result of the focus on improving the quality and profitability of the retail network. One of the key focus areas for the year has been to continue the strengthening of the in-store customer experience, for example, by creating the same visual expression in selected B1 stores. The value here is in giving customers control in-store, increasing trust and lowering the divide. Offering a personalized tool to work with products is what reinforces B&O as a luxury brand. The company Bang&Olufsen is also based on the intellectual resources. The Bang&Olufsen high-end brand is the backbone of the company on which the rest of the business is built. Key focus for the Bang&Olufsen branded business will be to further strengthen the brand's attractiveness and its target customers and continue to invest in innovation and retail experiences, while improving the segment's profitability. Focus for B&O Play brand will be to continue to strengthen the young brand's premium positioning and further increase the global brand awareness and appeal, leveraging on the company's core competences within design and acoustics. The brand targets a younger and broader audience than the Bang&Olufsen brand and will in the medium term be the main growth driver for the group. Concerning human resources, Bang&Olufsen's employees are an essential part of the company's success and continued development. During the year, the company took steps to build stronger competences and processes as well as strengthen general management capabilities, continue to focus on optimizing the global footprint and create a smaller, less complex organization. At the end of the 2015-2016 financial year, they had 1,700 full-time employees worldwide compared to 2,000 at the end of the previous financial year. In financial terms, the board of directors decided to increase the company's share capital by up to a nominal value of 43 million Danish kroner by issuing new shares at market price or at a discount to market price by way of cash contribution or otherwise. The capital increase shall be with preemptive subscription rights for the company's existing shareholders. The new shares shall be negotiable instruments, shall be issued to name holders, and shall rank for dividends and other rights in the company. B&O is keeping its position in the market by doing specific activities which make the company unique and profitable. They're always trying to push the limits of current products by continuous developing and improving of design and technology. They're always trying to think in the innovative way and to protect their products from competitors by using patents for certain products so they cannot be imitated. Their established brand, which means high quality and unique products for a high price. They are trying to keep the traditional mindset of the company and continue within the innovative way. The company is especially known for its stylish design and quality. They also supply sound systems to some of the world's leading car manufacturers such as Audi, Mercedes and BMW. In 2003, Bang& Olufsen entered into an agreement with Audi to provide an advanced sound system, and in 2005, a sound system based on the Biolab 5 with 10,000 watts amplifiers became available to Audi's flagship model, the A8. Audi markets this sound system using the Bang& Olufsen brand name. A unique feature of this sound system is its motorized tweeters that emerge from the dashboard when the sound system is turned on. According to the annual report, Bang& Olufsen's financial situation is becoming gradually worse due to an incapability for the revenue to cover the overall cost. In order to become stable, the company needs to aim at lowering production costs and find ways to raise their revenue. Even though for the year 2015-2016, Bang& Olufsen ended in debt by 207 million Danish kroner, they do manage to lower their production cost by 5% and increase their revenue index by 11% compared to the year before. That stands to show that the company is developing in the right direction and is working towards eliminating that financial weakness. Bang & Olufsen have been and are still developing a qualitative value proposition which focuses on customer experience and unique design. Other factors that create value for the customers are the brand and its association with high standard and the high quality of their products. Another factor that creates the value is focusing their internal resources on sound and acoustics, concept development, design and systems integration from which they take an advantage on the market. The activities that Bang & Olufsen does bring the value for its customers as well. Their unique design accompanied by quality and standard create inimitable value, which holds a strong position on the market. The company also always continues with development and innovation, which actually pushes the limits of the audio industry, which provides customers with a unique experience. The Bang & Olufsen company, through their competences and resources, reached a competitive advantage over other audio and visual producers. In Bang & Olufsen, new technology and innovative ways of production are essential things for winning the competition. They have over 30 patents since 2008. This allows them to gain another advantage of technological innovation. Bang & Olufsen is one of the few that is trying to push the limits of the audio industry and bring some development. They're trying to accomplish that through partnerships they have with significant cooperation. The companies are LG Electronics, BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and so on. They are proud holders of the design recognition they are creating. The technological and engineering knowledge is boosted by the highly educated and talented employees who must join ongoing training within its global retail network. The core competences of Bang & Olufsen is its own expertise that they gain through their experiences, practice, development and cooperation with external partners. They have also gained a lot of knowledge in development, sales and production of audio products over many years, from which they have a benefit over other competitors. The know-how which employees obtain through development and innovation are of great value to the company as they continue creating new products that may push the limits in the future. In this case, know-how is considered a company's competence and impossible to imitate. Bang & Olufsen has a brand image that can of course give a company sustainable competitive advantage. They have built a very strong brand that recently established a sub-brand, B&O Play, which focuses on slightly different segment of customers. Bang & Olufsen has strengths as the resources and capabilities. It is constantly developing and gaining experience. They have well-established know-how gained through their experiences in production and sales. Thus, it is maintaining its competences. The company is focused on customer satisfaction. B&O products are in the top of the competition. The company produces goods that are easily used by customer and the sound is reproduced as authentically as possible. Moreover, the design and quality is an important part in this company. The company is making the product not only aesthetic, but also the most functional. It uses high quality materials for the products, which also indicates the strength of the company. It is expensive, but some customers are willing to pay for quality and not for the constant repairs. B&O has highly trained employees and they keep training them in different departments as sales, design, production, and that is also a part of their strengths. What is more, they keep strong relationship with their partners. That also brings them an advantage because it is important to have such a strong partnership as they have. B&O is a successful company, but it has some weaknesses. An important factor is the price, which is extremely high in this company. Important to note is that customers are very sensitive to this. They are interested that the price is corresponding to the quality. Many customers know that B&O offers excellent quality, but the price stops many of them from purchases. Therefore, they find a cheaper alternative in other companies. Competition is one of the weaknesses that could significantly affect the company's profitability. In relation to the customers, they have to deal mainly with small customer segments because not everyone can afford to pay for expensive and luxury goods. Another factor of their current weakness is financial instability that we found out from the annual report and from our calculations. Their revenue are not enough to cover the cost, and the consequence is that they have to lower their cost of production. Another aspect that can discourage customers is an online selling. Bang & Olufsen doesn't offer an option to buy their products online. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoyed our video.
Thank you.